Hi, it's Anna with WTI here with my daughter's cute little duffel bag by WOOMADA. This thing has exceeded my expectations for a cute little duffel bag for her. We were going on vacation and she needed a big enough bag to carry all of her stuff, but we also didn't want a huge adult size suitcase for her. And this one, it doesn't look very big, but it held all of her stuff. The zippers work really well and open smoothly, which is really important to me. They also have a nice little pocket on the side for shoes, so your kids' dirty shoes stay separate from all of their clean clothes. And on the inside is a nice extra pocket that is waterproof for swimsuits or toiletries. I love the fun colors they have. My daughter loves pink and blue, and so this was the perfect choice for her. But no matter what your kids' preference is, you're going to be able to find one that they will absolutely love. I love that this is a bag that looks cute and kiddish, but it also does not look so kitty that she's going to outgrow it in a couple years. She can use it for a long time. I'm really happy with it. I'm so glad we had it for our trip out west. So if you are needing a cute little duffel bag for your kiddo for your next trip or a trip to grandma's, I highly recommend this one. But that's just my point of view.